Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything. And only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips numeral 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your Lenovo Legion 7 First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the replacement process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any damage. Using the Phillips numeral 0 screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop panel. There are typically DS screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Look at the battery, which is usually a large rectangular component connected to the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery from the motherboard by carefully lifting the connector. Make sure to pull it straight out to avoid damaging the pins. If you find it difficult to disconnect, you can use the spudger to gently pry it loose. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. There are usually 4 screws holding the battery down. Once these screws are removed, you can lift the battery out of the laptop. If you don't have a replacement battery on hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get the right part for your device. Now, take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. After that, reconnect the battery to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. Before reassembling the back panel, it is a good idea to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Make sure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this could strip the screws or damage the panel. If you find this process challenging, or if you prefer not to handle it yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about calls or travel. We can take care of everything for you. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair is done, ensuring transparency in the process. Once all the screws are in place, power on your laptop one last time to ensure everything is working smoothly. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo Legion 7 and regular maintenance and timely battery replacement can significantly enhance your laptop's performance and longevity. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.